What's going on, guys? Welcome back to a brand new video, and this is going to be the first video for 2019, guys. It is now, as the recording of this video, January 6th, guys, so I'm a little late, but happy new year to everybody out there. Hope you guys had a fantastic new year. I know I sure did, and I can't wait to see what 2019 holds for us. So as you guys probably know, the 673 of you beautiful subscribers, we're getting close to that 1,000. Now, you guys that subscribe know the channel is Silentspeed19. Now, it's no longer going to be Silentspeed19, it's going to be AC Unboxing, and I'm going to be rocking that. I'm still going to be rocking that deep blue, but I'm going to accent it with a white background. I kind of like that for some reason. I got my little logo going right there, the AC Unboxing logo. So that's going to be the name of the channel going forward until, I don't know, if something comes around better. I'm probably not going to change it. AC is my initials, and the channel is since come around to doing mostly unboxings. Originally, the Silentspeed19 name came about probably a long time ago, guys. Let's just say that a long time ago, when I first started the channel, and my hobby, or my main hobby at that time, was let me go through the channel so you guys can see. The main hobby at the time was RC cars. So if you guys scroll all the way back to my earliest videos, I was featuring mostly RC cars. Now, for all you RC enthusiasts out there, from time to time I'm still going to be featuring RC videos. I'm probably not going to be making as much as I did before, but I'm still going to be featuring some on there. As you guys can see, the Traxxas Rustlers. For those of you who knows what these toy cars are, they're actually really fun. I had a great time with them. I still have them. I still intend to have a good time with them, but it is currently winter where I live, and it gets really cold sometimes. So, and yeah, guys, and I see it. I did a lot of RC cars, RC drones. Many of which are still out in the market today. So if you guys want to check those out, maybe you want to get into the RC game, or maybe you want to get a recommendation of what to buy for a kid or maybe an adult, who knows. Those videos, now, they weren't the best, but for the most part, what I wanted to say in those videos, I said. And hopefully it helped. And then, as you guys can see, as I go through, I did for a period of time I had access to a lot of drones, so I was featuring a lot of drones on the channel, which some of them did a bit better than others, and I kind of have a whole bunch of them, guys. Shout out if you guys want to see my drone collection. And then it all started with the one JBL speaker that kind of led the way right here. The Link speakers. Oh, I forgot this is touchscreen. There you go, guys. I don't know if you ever saw that video, but yep, that video did pretty good on my channel. Still the most viewed video on my channel to date, hopefully to be surpassed by some video this year. And yeah, and then from then on, I just everything I just bought throughout the time in 2018 that I used. And just some ideas. As you guys can see, I did some plan analysis because I do work in the wireless industry, so it was kind of cool. I actually wanted to make a video like that just to show the comparison of the United States 3 main cell phone carriers. And from then on, I've been just featuring a lot more unboxing. I did do, but I like 2 months ago, a drone that I kind of thought was pretty cool. And then after that, it's just been unboxing after unboxing. Now, my video uploads, unfortunately, have not been very consistent. I do apologize for that. Hopefully, I can make that change this year to at least do one video a week. Probably on a Sunday like I'm doing with this one. And you might be able to see it on Monday, guys. So, that's going to be the goal, to at least for now do one video a week. Remember to shout out any recommended product that you guys want me to check out. Whether it be, any type of tech. As long as I can get my hands on it, I'll definitely share my opinion and my thoughts and do a little unboxing on it, as well as any RC toys that I might be interested in. I'm definitely gonna buy it, check it out, because everything on this channel, everything I bought with my own money. Nothing was given to me or sponsored, so I do have to invest on it. But some of the stuff I actually used. Some of them I kept, some of them I gave away. Some of them after, a couple of months I just sold them off. But it does cost money to buy all this stuff to show you guys. But I kind of like making the videos. Just my life has been really, really busy. at my job, to find the time to record is becoming a pain, but I'm gonna make it work, guys. I'm gonna make it work. This is gonna be the first video, and hopefully every Sunday after that, uploads on Sunday. You guys might probably see it on Monday. That would be great. So 1 video a week, that's the goal, guys. And AC Unboxing, that's gonna be the new channel name, the new banner, the new little, excuse me, the little channel icon right there. And hopefully you guys like it. I really do hope you guys like it. Silentspeed was just originally, I'm gonna say it again, the RC, that's kind of what I named my first RC car, Silentspeed19, and he's the car that started the channel, and ever since then it's been moved on to what you guys see now, AC Unboxing. So yeah, that's kind of why I changed the name so suddenly. Hopefully, you know, it didn't, you know, make you guys want to go away from the channel. But all in all, that's kind of why I changed it. And yeah, I just wanted to share that with you guys in case you're wondering what the heck happened to Silentspeed19. Now it's, you know, it's just gone. But yeah, that's pretty much the video, guys. Thanks for watching. I hope this helped you understand why you no longer see Silentspeed19, but you see AC Unboxing. And until next time, guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.